Yesterday it was alright, but today is yay. Comes with a straw. You put the straw in here. It comes with a skinny straw and a fat straw. Okay, so as mentioned, if you checked out my other smoothie video or my other video, you would have heard me said that I'm actually, I don't know if that video is going to be posted before this one, but either way, I'm doing one meal a day. Technically, I'm doing one solid meal a day, and the rest are gonna be smoothies. So this is gonna be my one meal. The butter and the bread look crazy. Don't mind it. I took out too much butter. We had to make do. Then we have eggs with onion and green spinach. Well, it's a spring mix ensemble in there. And then we have our turkey bacon. So this is gonna be my first meal. Yesterday, which was March the 14th, I actually did my smoothie first, and then I had a solid meal in the afternoon. Now today I'm doing the solid meal first, and then I'm gonna have this smoothie in the afternoon, and I'll show you my smoothie combination later. Okay, so I'm about to do my last meal. So I have the oats. I do 1 cup of oats, 1.5 cups of the oat milk, a spoon of that peanut butter, pour in some honey according to my liking, and then the strawberry. I did not do it with the strawberries yesterday, and and I'm forgetting the flax seeds. Forgive my ashy hands. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the flax seeds, but I did not. Oh, and the protein powder. Un momento. Okay, so this is the protein powder that I use. I do not like it because it's not versatile. It only tastes good in this smoothie. Can't put it in a pancake. Can't do much with it because it tastes grainy. And then I put in 4 scoops of the flaxseed. I need to get rid of it. I've had it for a while, so I don't know how good it still is. Something spilled. I think that's syrup, but these are all the ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and make my smoothie. And for a snack, I had a strawberry cheesecake that I got from Publix and 3 chocolate chip cookies that I'm about to divulge in. They're currently in the oven getting all prepared for mama. But after this smoothie, I'm not gonna drink anything. I'm not gonna consume anything else for the day. This is gonna be my meal when I'm out on the road. I'm just preparing it now because I don't wanna wait too late. Okay, so this is how it's looking right now. I have everything in except for my milk. I put in a spoon and a half of peanut butter. And I was just thinking about it. I haven't taken my creatine in a minute, and my muscles has been sore. Like I said, I'm still doing my stepper challenge. Definitely want to do it for all 7 days, but since my Sabbath is on a Saturday, I just decide not to do it. If I wake up early on a Sunday, before I do my shifts, I will go ahead and do the stepper. But definitely Monday to Friday, I am not skipping a beat. And have been doing so good, but I have been slipping off my creatine, and that's really good for muscle recovery. And then I'm also gonna put in my fiber into this. I got this from Costco. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my honey. Like I said, no rhyme or reason. I just know that the honey gives it a nice sweet flavor. And I need to get it finished up. And I've been feeling less bloated since I've started this. So I already did my measurements from day 1 of me starting the stepper challenge. And these are just little stuff I'm incorporating. Okay. So I got this cup from Costco. Love it down. This is a connection. I got it because it was 32 ounces. It's a thermal flask. This is also a thermal flask that I got from Costco. And I figured since this was so great in keeping myself warm for majority of the morning, let me go ahead and try this. Now, I haven't taken this out on the road, but I did try using it yesterday and it kept it really good. My smoothie turned a little pink from the strawberry. That tastes really good with the strawberries. Yesterday it was alright, but today is yay. Today it's very peanut butter forward, and I don't like to waste any. I love my fridge. You have a beverage center, and that's why I don't like to waste a bit. So I'm throwing water in it, shaking it up. And it didn't fill it completely up, but that's fine. This is how much I got in it. And it comes with a straw. You put the straw in here. It comes with a skinny straw and a fat straw. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and shake it because I put that last little bit. But I put in a fat straw because I like to drink it fast. It has a skinny straw, which is perfectly fine. But with this thick drink, I like to do the thicker straw. But I am so in love with this, and I'm glad because it seals to the top that I don't have to worry about air going into it constantly. When I go out on the road, I'm gonna go ahead and put the straw in because at that time it would be time to go ahead and consume this, because I don't like to eat my last meal too late. But since I'm only eating one real solid meal, it doesn't matter because the liquid really digests fast in the system. But that concludes my day of eating today. Today is the 15th, and this is how I'm expecting it to go. I did cancel my Factor Meal subscription. If you haven't seen that video, I did mention that. That video might come after this video. But yeah, I canceled it. So I just got an order yesterday, which I thought I deleted. I canceled that order, but I didn't. So these meals I didn't choose. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that as my one meal going forward. I had some eggs that I needed to finish up from yesterday, so that's why I did that breakfast this morning. And yeah. Aside from eating right, I'm also doing this challenge where I do this stepper for 30 days. And so far, it has been working out for me. I'm loving it. I'm enjoying it. And trust and believe, I wanted to include that in this clip because not only am I eating one meal a day with the smoothies, I'm also exercising on this stepper. I love my new stepper, y'all. I love the new stepper. I showed it in my haul video that is going to be before this video. So if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check it out. But I did show the stepper and me unboxing it in my previous Amazon haul video. And here you're in this video, you're going to see me exercising on it, testing it out because I really want you to see the hydraulics on it. And I love it. If you guys have tapped into this challenge, comment down below and let me know. But I did wanted to include a little snippet of it to let you know that I'm still on my challenge and I'm feeling good, looking good. And I can notice that my waist has slimmed down tremendously. And I'm getting snatched, honey. So get into it. So this is what I mean by range of motion. You see how high that come up? Mine don't come up that high. So in the mirror, you can see this is how it is. And this is the mirror I had in my room. And this one here feels weird. It angles in like this. Like, look at my legs. It's like angling in, which feels so weird. But I'm glad it don't have that noise. You could just hear my pants and the material. But the range of motion definitely feels a little bit different from, oh, I have my mouth all up in the phone, from what I'm used to. But my summer body is loading, okay? So like the other one twists with your hips going out like this. This one is actually in. So I've officially started. I don't know if you can see it. But like I said, the range of motion is a little bit different compared to my other one. My other one is actually down there. I don't know if you could see it, but hopefully I could tap into different muscle groups with the two of them. I'm loving the stepper. Haven't been to the gym since I started this challenge. What I do is I go outside I do this for 30 minutes in the morning, first thing in the morning, and then for my afternoon break, I go for 15 minutes. As you can see, the stepper takes a lot of energy, so I don't like to talk through this, but I had to come and show you my new stepper.